Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to High Tech Tins. 5. Freedom. You can never be productive if you keep letting notifications distract you and steal your focus. With Freedom, you can block distractive apps and websites to stay on top of your work. Use Freedom on your iPhone or iPad to block apps and websites from a pre-made or custom blacklist. Every block session is synced across devices, so not a single distractive notification can slide in. If you need complete silence, you can block internet across on your devices right from the app. You can also schedule block sessions so they are enabled automatically at the right time. As much as we love Freedom, know that it's a paid app. However, on the bright side, you can try it for free. 4. Slack. Slack helps you streamline your workflow and boost productivity by bringing your team into one place. You can build different channels for specific projects and discussions to keep your communication and collaboration organized. You can create a seamless, well-connected workplace by integrating services like Google Drive, Salesforce, Dropbox, Asana, Twitter, and Zendesk into your Slack interface. Slack also comes with a quick yet powerful search engine that enables you to search through your conversations and files to find anything you require. Sending voice recordings, editing documents, and calling team members are just a few features that make Slack a powerful productivity app for more work-focused environments. 3. TickTick. While journaling and muting notifications are helpful productivity-boosting techniques, nothing beats an app to stay on top of your tasks. Most task management apps today are pretty complicated, but not TickTick. It has a super simplified interface that lets you create and track tasks like a breeze. The tasks are displayed in a list form and are synced across all your devices while also being integrated with a calendar app on your iPhone. You can assign them 4 priority levels: high priority, medium priority, low priority, and no priority. Once you assign a task a priority level, it moves up and down the list, the highest priority tasks being at the top. This helps you visualize which tasks you need to eliminate first. Then other additional features like scheduling, task repetition, creating subtasks, adding details to each task, and tracking each task with a Pomodoro timer, all for free, make TickTick simply the best to-do list app. In the premium version, you can also share the task lists with your team for better collaboration and use the built-in calendar. Number 2. Clockify. Clockify's iPhone app lets you track the hours you spend on different tasks. The app lets you enter the time spent manually or have it tracked automatically. And if you're tracking time for work, you can even set your hourly rate and calculate how much you've made based on the hours tracked. If you're managing a team that is working on an hourly basis, you can use Clockify to log the time your team has spent on a particular project. In the reports section, the app offers a timesheet, which you can view time logs for any custom period you want: weeks, months, and even years. You can use this section to review your project's financials like earnings, cost, profit, estimates, and budget, and even share the time logs with clients for transparency in your hourly projects. For personal use, Clockify's free features are sufficient, but you may have to invest in the premium version to manage your teams better. 1. Notion. Hands down, Notion is the best productivity app that you can use. It can replace almost every other productivity app you use, especially task management software. From excellent text editing to saving and displaying bookmarks, Notion comes with a bunch of features you can utilize to boost your productivity. You can create different folders for different departments like work, personal, and education. Then each folder can have an unlimited number of pages, subpages, a page within a page. On a page, you can insert a wide variety of text formats, for example, checklists, bulleted lists, numbered lists, toggle lists, pull quotes, and heading styles. Notion's interface welcomes emojis too, which you can add to stylize your documents. While you can design your documents however you want for almost any purpose, you can also use Notion's custom templates to create the perfect dashboard or document. Overall, Notion is a multi-purpose organizational application that can streamline almost anything you do, all for free. Get productive with your iPhone. Whether you're unable to focus on your work or have a disorganized workspace, you can install these productivity applications on your iPhone and make the best of your routine. Technology has advanced so much that we can rely on it to help us with pretty much everything, including our day-to-day tasks. So if you sometimes feel overwhelmed by your daily chores, make sure to get a helping hand from one of these productivity apps. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.